Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Another week of distance learning down. It is Friday, May 1st, 2020. Happy May to all of you. Let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for our school theme song. A green and white, 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 a green and white. One's off for school, the greatest school. 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 In East Brunswick, in New Jersey, there is Warnsdorf for school. We show kindness to everyone to make our future bright. A green and white, 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 a green and white. Teachers, staff, and parents too help make our future bright. Fine upstanders who set examples help make our future bright. One's up for school, the greatest school. 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 Alrighty, let's take a look at today's plan. You have a mandatory freckle assignment to do, and you are also playing Pearl Diver in math, and in language arts you're recording a Flipgrid about what you are still wondering about your animal. So even the best researchers in the world are never satisfied. They always want to learn. So you want to think about what you still are wondering about your animal of choice. Make sure to push your thinking. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you listen to chapters 1 and 2 of Charlotte's Web, because we're going to continue that next week. Your May-dos are the same except for writing. You can write a Friday letter to me and I'll be happy to write back. And your virtual field trip is all about big animals, so that'll be a fun one. Today is your last day to submit your Flipgrid for the book Scavenger Hunt. Ronan is still the only one who's done it, so let's try to get some more videos in there so we can see all of the creativity you guys have to offer. And also today is the last day to submit a picture for our Helping Heroes of the Week, who are delivery workers. So it's always nice to make people feel appreciated. So if you'd like to do this, feel free, and I'm happy to tweet it out for you or have your parents tweet it out. Now for our Feel Good Friday notes. Bella, you are a panda expert. Adrian, keep up the good work with iReady. Haley, you are going above and beyond in your work. Mia G, great word choices for your glossary. Abby, keep up the good work on Freckle. Bowen, I like hearing about all the toys you get. Isha, you did a great job working as a team on your animal glossary. Dael, I loved the words and definitions you used in your animal glossary. Noah, great work on iReady. Joshua, your draft game sounded really fun. Mia M, I liked seeing your new trees on Zoom. Jackson, any day your rats are going to have their babies. Priya, you shared such kind words with your research club. Bradley, I love how hard you worked on your animal research. Leia, I love your new haircut. Ashley, keep up the good work on iReady. Fractions can be tough. Nick, awesome job defining your animal vocabulary. Harry, your daily check-ins always make my morning. Larry, I like hearing that you play Fortnite with Bradley and Nick. Isabella, you are so kind to make a sign thanking delivery workers. And finally, Ronan, great job formatting your glossary. That was a lot of work, but it looks awesome. So I hope everyone has a fabulous, fabulous weekend. It's supposed to be beautiful weather, so make sure you get outside and play and work off all of that steam that you burnt this week. I'm really proud of everyone, and I miss you guys a ton. Bye!